Hey, this is Patrick Collins with the Collins team at Synergy Realty Group. Today's topic is going to be on the top 3 things to do before you move into your house. Hey, so top 3 things to do before you move into your house. Number 1, cleaning and improvements. If you have any improvements that you want to make to the house, like changing the flooring, maybe painting some walls, much easier to do those things before you move all your furniture into your house. Also, if you're the type of person that wants to do an extra deep cleaning on the house, again, much easier to do before you get everything into the house. Number 2, if you want to make sure you go to the post office and get a new mail key, and also make sure your mail is all forwarded to the property, so once you start moving into the property, you can start receiving your mail at that time. The third thing you want to do is make sure you call your utility company and all your satellite providers, cable providers, phone companies, so they can come in and run anything through walls before your furniture gets into the house. So if you have any questions on what to do before you move into a house, give us a call, 719-930-6012, or visit us on the web at coloradospringsbesthouses.com.